Here are 5 productivity tips for entrepreneurs. One of the most common problems when it comes to startup entrepreneurs is simply being productive when running their business. Hi, I'm Nex, and welcome to my Pixel Nex YouTube channel where I talk about online businesses, about dropshipping, about e-commerce. You try so hard to avoid distractions, yet the temptation becomes harder and harder each day. For instance, it's hard to be productive when you're sitting on your couch comfortably with your laptop, knowing that you could either do your work or binge watch your favorite TV shows from Netflix. Distractions like these are normal. They will always be there no matter what. The key is to find ways to avoid these distractions. Here are 5 tips or ways to be more productive as entrepreneurs. Number 1. Set clear goals. Another way of describing goals is expectations. Now, these goals can either be minor or they could be major. Like us and pretty much any entrepreneur out there, our ultimate goal is to actually achieve financial freedom, right? Or you might have another goal in mind. Having the freedom to do whatever we want, whenever we want, being our own bosses, working anytime, anywhere, on the face of the earth. But how do you get to that ultimate goal? How do you get to financial freedom? Or how do you get to your own specific ultimate goal? You need to reverse engineer small steps or small minor goals. So reverse engineer your minor goals. First, pick a business model. It could be anything. It could be Shopify Dropshipping. It could be affiliate marketing. It could be CPA marketing. Any business model that you are passionate about, that you know about, that you have a basic understanding about, that you love to do for the rest of your life, or at the very least, for a very long time. Then, gather knowledge, learn. And I previously mentioned this in one of my other videos where I talked about the progression of steps it took with learning and taking action. Structure these minor goals accordingly. Like for Shopify dropshipping, first you learn, you gather the knowledge, you go to blog posts, you watch YouTube videos about Shopify dropshipping. Then you take action. So you set up your store, you source and split test multiple products from AliExpress based on the niche that you've chosen for your business. You add the descriptions, you place your ads, work on them again and again until you become very good at them. Number 2, make your profitable actions a habit. Now there's a great quote from Will Durant. He said, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit." Always go out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to learn new things, expand into new interests. When they work well, do them again and again until they become a habit. Number 3, be aware of your physical limitations. Different activities, they require different energy levels expanded across an entire day. Early in the morning, you're fresh from your deep slumber, you're ready to tackle the day, you're ready to run your business, so you start with the most complicated tasks. Like researching new products from AliExpress to source them into your Shopify store, recording that video that you've always wanted to record, placing your ads, writing that blog post that you've been holding off for so long because of writer's blog or anything. And here's the secret. In the afternoon, take a small nap ranging from 20 to 30 minutes. Test and find out what time frame works best for you. Don't make it too short and never make it too long. With this small nap in the afternoon, you're ready to handle and tackle other tasks in the evening and night more easily. But always remember, when things get tough, never stop, but rest. Number 4, invest in the right tools. Buy only the things that you need, not the things that you want. For instance, if you want to record high quality videos, you want that new iPhone, but you need a great camera and great editing apps. such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro. If you find a tool or tools that help you go further in your business, that helps you with your business in terms of speed and efficiency, it's probably one of the best decisions ever to make by investing in them. Like, for example, if you're in a crowded cafe, everyone's making noise all around you, and you want to research new products on AliExpress, you want to deal with your customer service in a more efficient way, you want to write a new blog post, what you need are noise-canceling earphones to block out the noise that distract you when you're trying to do your work. So basically, just spend on things that you really, really necessarily need. Number 5. This is the last productivity tip and the most important one. Have fun. Because if you're not having fun, then what's the point of becoming an entrepreneur in the first place? What's the point of running your own passionate business in the first place, right? Running a business can always be fun, but sometimes very stressful. So treat yourself. Treat yourself a new movie or an ice cream after a long day's work. So those were the 5 productivity tips for any entrepreneur out there. So set clear goals, make your profitable actions a habit, be aware of your physical limitations, invest in the right tools and only the right tools, and always, always have fun. I hope you found this video valuable. If it did, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon that comes with it so that you'll be notified of future video releases. I'll be talking more about online businesses, about dropshipping, about e-commerce. Drop a like and leave a comment down in the comment section below on your thoughts, or if you have any other tips of to be more productive as an entrepreneur. Remember to grab your free Shopify Dropshipping Hackbook down in the description below. It's a free beginner-friendly step-by-step guide on Shopify dropshipping. Also, if you're interested in selling your things online, or you want to get into dropshipping, you want to learn about Shopify dropshipping, down in the description below I have a free 14-day Shopify trial. It is my affiliate link, disclaimer by the way. Just check out the platform for free, play around with it, and see if it suits your business best. If it doesn't, then just cancel it at no additional cost to you. And here's another bonus tip that I want to give to you to thank you for staying until the end of the video. If you feel that the 14-day free trial is not enough, you need more time, maybe you have other things to do, maybe you cannot get back to the platform, you cannot use it consistently for 14 days, don't worry, I have a solution for you. The secret is to ask for an extension on the Shopify trial. So you can go about this 2 ways. First, you could either email Shopify at support@shopify.com and ask them for an extension in the email. Or you can type in the URL in the browser, help.shopify.com/questions. You will be brought to a Shopify live chat. You speak to a real life person and ask them for the extension on the free trial. They will gladly give it to you because they're confident enough in the software that they have. It's a great platform for e-commerce. I hope this video and all of the tips that I've given you helps you and your business. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.